Egypt, the land of wonder and beauty. Numerous aspects of the current global civilization derived from the ancient Egyptian civilization, such as writing, the scholarly calendar, medicine, architecture, festivals, chemistry, and other fields of life. The influence of the ancient Egyptian civilization on the modern world is clear. However, there are still several puzzling topics about ancient Egyptian livelihood that require more effort and a deep search in order to understand them. To get your audiobook edition of Tourism and Travel in Ancient Egypt, Travel Like an Egyptian, visit your favorite audiobook retailers, including Audible, audiobooks.com, Overdrive, Hoopla, and many more. This book is also available as an ebook in several languages and in print form. Join us as we travel like an Egyptian.